Habakran ke Jingkyrmen play ke Jingkyrmen dap shispa arpusan senam ke Pine Mount School Shillong kumukongsan ubah Preston tensong usubut Menteri Rangba ubah kemi ke Tnad kampo ieng Sorkar jela haka Kyrwoh terik yong arja arpusan ulaong baum sengoyahap yaki baong bagi Jaidbynriew kamdan Jingkyrmen shu. Ulaong bagi don cipun ki Jingkyrmen na balong mensua bat mentah dak basyem nuksa ya ka longkaman ke School Pine Mount. Shu ulaong bana ke Ministry of Tribal Affairs ke Sorkar India hi ke Sorkar jela kala yok palat 6,000 klur bancna ya ki laipu pratli ki School Iklavia. Ulaong na ka mangtingka mentau senam arja arpusan arja Jaidbynriew lakin tiu shu ya ka bahak pisa syakatnat Pule. Halor ke jing dap shispa arpusan senam ke school ubah Preston tensong ulaong bak Sorkar kan simkia ban yarap ban penhe shu ya ke campus jong ke school haka baka la ban day sibenta naka pan nong light park.
Some people used to say that Meghalaya seems to be hopeless. Sometimes people say Jaidbynriew or state of Meghalaya is in the hopeless stage. Some people say that, but let me tell you one thing, that is not true. We are in the hopeful stage. If you compare to the 19th century, when the school was just established, and when you compare with the journey of 125 years today, what a change we have. We have seen it. We have a lot of changes. We have lots of transformation happen. And not only that, government is trying to take few important initiatives, because your school is located in Shillong, but we would also like to spread the wings of quality education even to rural areas. And I'm happy to inform you that we got the sanction from the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, more than 1,000 crore rupees. More than 1,000 crore rupees for establishing 38 EMRS schools across the state. And these schools, let me tell you, and these schools will be the standard of Pine Mount School. That is the beauty of the decision and the intention of the government. Why Pine Mount School should be confined within Shillong? I personally feel Pine Mount School should reach out to Maulanong village, a poorest village in East Khasils, in my constituency. Reach out in Punusla village, reach out in Mausanram village, reach out in Bakmara district. That is the intention of the government. The brand name of Pine Mount School should reach out to a place where underprivileged still are privileged. Pine Mount School is the only school from Meghalaya and very few from northeastern states who can reach to the standard of 23 position. 23rd position out of 800 very high profile institution in the country. Again, it is matter of pride. Thank you so much, Pine Mount School. You raised the standard and the image of Meghalaya. It is because of you. My only request to the management authority, can you maintain the standard of 23 or the 23rd standard position? Or why not we be in the 10th position throughout the country? Please don't let us down. That is my humble request from the government side. Please don't let us down. I don't want to see number 50 or 60 or 70 or 100. From the government, we would like to see that you are being treated in the 10th position nationally in the years to come. Recently, we have shifted the zoo to Riboy district. I was surprised to hear that petition is made to the government if it can be extended, if not fully, maybe partly of the Lithiatra Park. If I am correct, is it true? Okay. So my suggestion to all of you is, please meet me maybe in few weeks from today. Meet me with your presentation, with your paperwork. Then I will take it up with the government. Please do that.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam khta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.